Math 10s, this video is the intro to 1.6, which is about surface area and volume of spheres. If we were in class, we'd do some little activities to kind of show you where these formulas come from. There's kind of a cool one where you can take some oranges, draw some circles the same size as the oranges in terms of same radius on your page, and peel as many oranges as it takes to fill in the circles. And what you discover is that you have 4 circles filled in, which is kind of a cool way of showing you that the surface area of a sphere is actually 4 times as big as pi r squared. And so that formula is given to you on your formula sheet. And just for the sake of simplicity, they also give you one that just says surface area equals pi d squared. So if you're given the diameter instead of the radius. We also are given formulas for volume, 4/3 pi r cubed, as well as the equivalent volume equals 1/6 pi d cubed. So depending on if you have diameter or radius, you can find either of these two quantities. So our first example is this: a ball has a diameter of 35 centimeters. Determine its surface area to the nearest square centimeter. So the simplest way is I always suggest drawing a picture, although there's not much to draw here. You're drawing a ball, a circle. The diameter is 35. Make sure you're clear that that's diameter and not radius. And so I would personally use this formula, pi d squared, pi times 35 squared. So 35 times 35 times pi. Again, use your pi button. Don't round till you get to the end. But if you round to the nearest square centimeter, you get about 3,848 centimeters. Even if a person only had the other formula, the 4 pi r squared formula, as long as you use the radius in that, 17.5 being the radius of this ball, you'll get a calculation that looks slightly different at first, but once you calculate it out, you get the exact same answer. So 3,848 centimeters squared rounded to the nearest square centimeter.